Hey everyone, I'm Kiran, one of the co-founders of Lexi. And at Lexi, we are building agents for the client onboarding process at law firms. Lawyers today spend more than 12 hours onboarding each client. And this endless back and forth, chasing documents, and following up is a process that both the clients as well as the lawyers hate. And that is the exact reason why we built Lexi. And now let's walk through a quick demo. So imagine you are a lawyer and you just finished having a meeting with a client. And now you have a huge list of information that you need to get and follow up on. And you are dreading it. And that is exactly where Lexi comes in. With a click of a single button, our agents get to work. They automatically start following up with clients and handle all corresponding documentation and information exchange so that you don't need to do any more manual work. Now, as you can see in my inbox, I have an email waiting for me. And now I'm going to quickly respond to this email with some documentation. So here I'm attaching one of my documents and hit send. So once Lexi receives this information, it starts processing it instantly. And that's not all. Lexi follows up asking for further information where necessary. And whatever information that we do get, we organize everything super well so that no one needs to go hunting through email chains to find the exact information that they need. But that's not all. It gets even better. Our agents don't just collect information and documents. They are also capable of doing research and generating the initial advice memo for the client. And we call this workflows. So you can simply hit this button, choose the exact meeting that just transpired, and hit Ask Lexi. So this is where our series of agents get to work. And the first of them is the synthesis agent that essentially analyzes the entire case and extracts key information. The flow then gets handed over to the planning agent, which plans out all the next steps. And then the flow gets handed over to the strategizing agent, which does comprehensive research on what is the exact case that we are dealing with right now. And once the research is complete, the flow gets handed over to the drafting agent that then drafts a quick client memo. So this focuses on the factual background, the legal analysis, and also what the recommended next steps are. And this is how what used to take hours of lawyer time and weeks of client confusion can now happen automatically. Lexi turns onboarding chaos into a seamless client experience. Thank you.